Today we talk about how can you change your name on your Lim app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on name, you just click on it, and here you change your first name and here your last name. Then you click on save changes, then it's going to save with you. So that's all you have to do to change your name. That's all. I wish now you accurate, so you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.